What's the sign for daddy? What's the sign for daddy? What's the sign for daddy? Come on. Let me see. What's the sign for take a bath? Take a bath. Yes. What's the sign for milk? What's the sign for all done? What's the sign for more? More. More. What's the sign for shoes? Shoes. What's the sign for shoes?
Where's the shoes of Ninong J? What's the sign for shoes?
What's the sign for biscuit? You know. What's the sign for telephone? Telephone. What's the sign for telephone? Let me see. Yes. What's the sign for sleepy? Are you sleepy? Okay. What's the sign for sleep? Alex, what's the sign for sleep? Alex, look at mommy, oh. What's the sign for sleep? Alexa,
look at mommy.
What's the sign for sleep? Sleep. Okay. What's the sign for drink? Drink. What's the sign for excuse me? Excuse me. What's the sign for excuse me? Let me see. Ayaw. What's the sign for Alex? What's the sign for please? Please? Okay. Please carry. And what's the sign for thank you? Wow!
Okay, very good na, Mami! Very good!
Very